have to. I'm gonna build this whole thing right here. I'm gonna build that.
What are you doing?
I don't know. You want me to or not?
If I like to build,
Yeah.
me too.
Okay. You help me out. Help me out, Bob. Give me some pieces.
Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
But, whoa, look at this. Now, what is this? Hey, I found one piece.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, let's build this house.
Okay.
Hey, what is this? What is this?
That looks like hay.
Okay.
It's hay for the horse and for the cow to eat.
Hey, let's get down. So don't eat.
So they can eat. Yum, 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 yum.
No, 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 no. Ow. He failed. Ow. I failed.
Oh no.
Hey, what's Bob doing? He's getting you some pieces?
He's helping. He's telling me where to put them.
Now, so where's the house?
We're working on it. Let's see.
Yeah. Make the door too.
Alright, I'm working on it. Let's see.
Oh no, puppy, don't stay there for a while. You'll get lost. Now, Bob, you better don't take that.
Yeah, Bob.
He's taking it.
Oh no, he fell on the floor. Holy shit. Look
Oh no, he's taking this.
Found it.
Now he's taking this.
Yeah.
Now he's getting out here. Now he's eating it. Hey, puppy, he's eating
at
this.
He is. Oh no, he's eating the wheat.
He's supposed to eat bananas.
Hey, where's banana? Banana. So what is this? Here you go. Hey, help you the top of the roof. There you go.